how to download order invoice from Amazon app. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your You page or your personal page over here in Amazon, and in this page click on your orders. In your orders, you should be able to find different products that you have purchased before and simply select any of those products. After that, simply scroll down after viewing your product, scroll down to the bottom, and there should be an option under the order info, download invoice option. So if you click on the download invoice option, you should be able to easily click on the download documents option or button over here. So you have invoice or warranty, so simply select invoice, so click on download documents, and you should be able to have or download the documents onto your phone. So that's basically it, guys. If you want, or if this does not appear on your Amazon app, by the way, you could try doing it on your Google Chrome or any other platform or a browser that you want as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.